Welcome to today's lesson on multiple adjectives order. When we describe something in English, we often use more than one adjective, but these adjectives must follow a specific order to sound natural. Today, we'll learn about 6 important categories: opinion, size, age, shape, color, and origin. Let's look at an example. A beautiful, large, old, round, red Italian vase. This sentence uses 6 adjectives before the noun vase. Notice how these adjectives are arranged in a particular sequence. This isn't random. When we use multiple adjectives together, they follow a specific order that makes the sentence sound natural to native English speakers. Here is the correct order for adjectives. Number 1 is opinion, which describes what you think about something. Number 2 is size, which tells us how big or small it is. Number 3 is age, which tells us how old or new something is. Number 4 is shape, which describes the form of the object. Number 5 is color, and number 6 is origin, which tells us where something comes from. Let's look at examples for each category. For opinion, we use words like beautiful, ugly, nice, good, or bad. These express what we think or feel. For size, we use large, small, big, tiny, or huge. For age, we say old, new, young, ancient, or modern. And for shape, we use words like round, square, flat, thin, or wide. Now the remaining 2 categories. For color, we use words like red, blue, green, black, or yellow. And for origin, we use adjectives that describe where something comes from, such as Italian, Chinese, French, or American. Remember, origin adjectives often describe nationality or the place something was made. Let's break down our example sentence. A beautiful, large, old, round, red Italian vase. Beautiful is the opinion, large is the size, old is the age, round is the shape, red is the color, and Italian is the origin. Each adjective is in its correct position according to the order we just learned. Here are more examples to help you practice. A nice, small, new wooden table. An expensive, big, modern German car. A lovely, tiny, old, round, blue Chinese plate. And some ugly, huge, rectangular, gray concrete blocks. Notice how each sentence follows the same adjective order pattern we learned. Remember this important point. Native speakers follow this order naturally without thinking about it, but as learners, we need to practice it consciously until it becomes automatic. Here's a memory trick to help you remember. OSASCO opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin. Practice using this order, and soon it will feel natural to you too.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.